Where you go. Is your chair over far enough? Do you want to scooch it over a little?
Yes, okay.
Okay.
P.
Whoops. P goes way past the bottom line. Remember peas, little green peas fall off the floor when you eat? So the P is a short stick.
It goes off the line.
It goes off the line.
P.
Whoop. So it's a short stick first.
P.
There you go.
Peacock.
Good. And when you go down, it comes all the way back up to the middle line. Try again.
P.
Much better.
Peacock. K. Kangaroo. N. Newt.
Whoop. So that is tall stick.
H. Horse. Hut. U. Up. Up. T. H. Math. And
What's the sound of math? So do it again. Go. Good. Now try it again and go TH.
T. H. And then
So what's the first sound? That's right. So TH.
T. H. Then
Good.
F. Frog. E.
Whoops. That's, how do we know?
D.
How do you know?
A B goes the same direction and
As a
as
what? Say that again.
a D goes the same direction that we read.
No.
We know a B.
How do you know which one goes the direction that we read? The B?
The ball goes the same direction we read.
Right, because it's a ball.
Ball.
Ball. Say ball.
Ball.
B.
Ball.
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 Do you hear the b?
B.
In ball? So the ball is going to be hit, like with the baseball bat. It's going to be hit toward the same direction that we read. So what letter is that? Is that ball going the same direction we read? So what letter is it?
That's a D.
And the D goes the same direction. It's the same as an
A.
Go.
D. Dog. D. G. Goose. G. V. Vulture. L. Lion. I. H. A.
How do you know that's an eye? Has it got a little eyeball on top? See the little eyeball?
C. H. Horse.
Oh.
Chin.
First sound in chin.
Ch.
Go.
Ch. E. Exercise F. S. H. Sh.
Ship. Ship.
Ship. Sh. C. K. Rock. K. Y.
Oh, let's do this stick. This slide first. Slide.
Y.
Slide off this one. Good.
Yak. O. Octopus. A. N. Newt. S. Snake. A. Apple. A. I. H. A. Z. Zebra. Z. Zombie. Wolf. Wolf. R. Rat. R.
Try it again and stop the R there.
R. Rat. R. E. Exercise F. I. H. A. T. Tiger. T. B. Boy. B. X. Box.
And what two sounds does x make?
C. Cat. M, moose. J, jaguar. E, exercise. E.
Excellent. Now let's try the auditory drill, second drill. Ready? What spells
P, peacock.
K? 3 ways.
C, cat. K, kangaroo.
And
C, K, rock.
and when do we use CK?
At the end of a short vowel with a short
A short word with
with a short vowel.
a short vowel. So what I would say,
Ack, ick,
what does the E say? Do I need to get the weights? Should we get our weights?
yep,
Yep. We'll get our weights. I wonder if you can lift this one. I don't want to move the... Okay, ready? Here you go. And I'll get mine. Let's show everybody this. Come on over here. Ready? Exercise.
exercise, eh, eh, eh,
One more time.
exercise, exercise, eh, eh, eh.
Oh, I don't even know if I got that. Let me see. I think we did pretty good. Okay, let's put those back. Let's try that sound again. So what spells What letter?
Eck, ick, ock, and uck.
Perfect. What spells?
N-G-A, H, horse.
Oh, and you know what? Where are all your? I put all your fun stuff away. Look what I have.
You have a peacock.
Yeah. And here's your puppy. I know you like him. And we got all kinds of goodies in here. Where's the other Smurfer?
Where's Grouchy?
Where's Grouchy Smurf? Grouchy Smurf is gone.
Probably he was too. He didn't like all the animals.
Oh no! You gotta have Grouchy Smurf.
Peacock.
Oh. What happened to Grouchy Smurf?
Grouchy. His name's just Grouchy.
Okay, who do you want for a mascot today? I guess you're gonna have to be happy. Okay, they're gonna watch. Ready? Go. What spells?
H, horse. U, up. T. That's it. H. N.
That's a good idea.
T. H.
Yeah.
Math.
And?
T.
Oh, wait, I didn't ask that yet. What spells That's right.
T. H. Then.
What spells?
F. Frog.
D.
D. D. Okay. D. Dog. D.
G.
G. Goose. G. V. Vulture.
Ooh.
L. Lion.
I.
I. H.
Ch.
Ch. Ch. C. Cat.
That spells K. What spells Ch? What spells Ch?
C. H. Ch. Chin.
Chin, and now you say Ch. What spells E?
E. Exercise. E.
Shh.
S. H. S. H.
Good. Go ahead and make SH. You're right.
S. H. Ship. Sh.
Oh, we already did that. Y.
Y. Wait.
That's right, that's right.
Y. Yak. Y.
Aw.
O. Octopus.
Oh, those are
aw.
C's. Those are C's.
O. Octopus. Aw. N. Newt. S. Snake.
Ah.
A. Apple. A.
It.
I. Itch. It.
Z.
Z. Zebra. Z.
And which way does the Z go? Same direction as a... What other letter goes like that first?
B.
What other letter goes like this? The Z and the... Look down.
Z.
What letter is this?
In the E.
E. The Z and the E both go straight across first. What spells W?
W.
W.
W. W.
Good. What spells R?
R. Rat.
Good. What spells A?
E. Exercise. E. T. Tiger.
B.
B.
B. Go ahead. Put your hand down and your hand will remember. That's right. Straight line down.
B. Boy. B.
X.
X. Fox.
Mm.
M. Moose.
J.
J.
J is a short stick.
J.
Short stick. Make a short stick and keep going.
J.
Good.
Jaguar. J.
Good.